Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to assemble content within a map. In another video, we show how to create DITA content and topics from scratch. You can find a link to that video in the description or visit easyDITA.com. Now in this video, we'll start by creating a new map. We'll then add existing topics to that map, and finally add additional elements to a map. Before we start, let's recap what a map is. A topic is a self-contained chunk of content. A map is a container for those topics. A map provides hierarchy and sequence for what would otherwise be a pile of individual topics. Maps are essential in order to get our written content into a helpful and published form. Now with all that said, let's build a map. When you open easyDITA, you start from the dashboard view. We'll begin by opening up the Authoring tab in the top right. From there, we can navigate to the folder where we want to create our first map. Once we are in a preferred folder, in the top left corner, select Create New. Under the map type, select Default Map. Just like with the topics, we're going to give a title, a file name, and a file location. We can also add metadata or assign the map to a collection. We then click Create. We're going to take the individual topics that we've previously created and add them to this map. Click the Dock button to open up a map in the map editor. In the Content library, navigate to the file you want to add to the map. Drag and drop the component from the file listing into the map editor. Since we're inserting a topic, select Topic Reference and then click Insert. Now select the task topic that we created and do the same action. You can also rearrange the order of your content by dragging and dropping. When dragging and dropping a topic, a line indicates where the topic will be added. Dropping the topic on another topic will show a green box. This green box means that this new topic will be added as the child of the one that's already in the map. To undo this, simply drag the child topic again until the line appears instead of the green box. In addition to new topics, you can also add other elements with ease. You can add a new element by right-clicking on an existing element and navigating down and inserting the element before or after the selected element. You can create a new element by hovering over Empty and selecting from the drop-down list. You can also select an existing element. This will bring up the File Picker menu, where you can select the element. Now we're going to select this newbie topic. Now you'll see it listed in the map editor. You can also remove an element from the right-click menu. If you want to add an element as a child element, right-click the element and select Append Element. From there, you can then add a new or select an existing element. We'll select the newbie topic again. Now, this element is added as a child element. Now, if you want to make changes to the whole map, you can do so with the Tools button at the top of the map editor. From here, you can edit the title of the map, or you can edit the source code of the map. And there we go. We've created a map and added new and existing content to it. Now, if we open the map from the File Picker view, we see all of the topics within a scrollable document. At this point, we have everything necessary for a publishable document. In future videos, we'll take a look at how to reuse content, how to review content, and how to publish content, such as the map that we've created. You can find links to these videos in the description or visit easydita.com.